Imagine you're designing an industrial machine, not a toy, not a classroom project, a real machine. One that needs to move hundreds of kilograms, position heavy tooling with millimeter accuracy, and operate continuously for thousands of hours. You already have the motor, a modern servo motor. It spins at around 3,000 revolutions per minute. Fast, efficient, reliable. But there's a problem. Your machine doesn't need 3,000 RPM. It may only need 15. Reducing speed sounds easy. Just connect two gears. A large gear driven by a smaller one. The output rotates more slowly, and the torque increases. There are many gearbox designs. Among them, the Planetary Gearbox is one of the most compact and powerful designs ever developed. But what makes it so special? Let's look inside. At the very center is the sun gear. This gear receives power directly from the motor and becomes the starting point of the entire transmission system. Around it are the planet gears. They share the load instead of relying on a single gear. Surrounding everything is the ring gear. Its internal teeth engage all the planet gears simultaneously. The planet carrier holds the planet gears together. It is also the output of this gearbox. Now let's see them work together. The sun gear drives the planet gears, which walk around the inside of the ring gear. Because the load is shared, the gearbox can transmit much higher torque while remaining compact. Its coaxial design keeps the input and output perfectly aligned. 4 simple components. 1 brilliant mechanism. Compact. Powerful. That's the Planetary Gearbox. But this is only the beginning. In the next video, we'll discover how changing just one component completely changes the gear ratio or direction of motion.